Welcome to our guide on transferring your playlist from Spotify to Soundcloud. Today, we'll explore why this transfer is important and how you can easily do it. Let's start by preparing your Spotify playlist. Make sure you have it ready and accessible on your device. Next, you'll need to choose the right transfer tool. There are several options available, so pick one that fits your needs. Now let's connect your Spotify account to the transfer tool. Follow the on-screen prompts to securely log in. Once connected, select the playlist you want to transfer from your Spotify library. After selecting your playlist, execute the transfer process. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Finally, head over to SoundCloud to verify that your playlist has been successfully transferred. Check it out. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. Here are some common problems and their solutions to help you through. Let's quickly recap the steps we've taken to transfer your playlist from Spotify to SoundCloud. Now that your playlist is on SoundCloud, dive in and explore the vast world of music available there.